Hello friends, this is Anubhav. After a long time, I came back to YouTube. And so today, I am going to show you the basics of Python programming. So let's start. So first, you need to install the latest version of Python. And then you need to install an integrated development environment or IDE for the program to run in it. And obviously you need a file to write the program in it. And so it is possible by Notepad. In Notepad, you need to just type in the Python program. After you name the Python file, just type in .py so that it will be a Python file and then you save it. So let's open Notepad. And so let's type in our code. For example, let's type in print and add here parentheses. And so inside the parentheses, let's type in hello world. And as it is a string constant value, and so it will be enclosed in double quotes. And here, so go to file and here click and save. And here let's type in Anubhav tutorial. If you save it, then it will not be a Python file. If you save it without writing after naming it .py, then it will not be a Python file. If you write .py, then it can be accessed as a Python file. So let's save it. And so let's close this. And here is the folder. Okay. And so let's open this IDE named Visual Studio Code. And now I'm going to show you how to open the file. So here click on file and then click here open file. Find us. So you will get this Anubhav tutorial. I had named it. So click on it and let's open. And so here is the print hello world code, and we can also run it by clicking here run Python file, and we get the desired result here in the terminal box. And so we can also do other stuff, for example calculations. And so for example 1 plus 2, yes, here And then let's run the Python file 3. And like this, it can perform the different operations in Python. So 1 minus 2, it gives minus 1. And here 1 multiplied by 2, and that means it would give 2. And how about 1 divided by 2? So let's add that 1 divided by 2. So the value is 0.5. And yeah, how about other operations? For example, let's type here 1 plus 2, and here multiplied by 10. Will it be 2 multiplied by 10, 20 plus 1, 21? Or would it be 1 plus 2, 3 multiplied by 10, 30? So let's run it and see, it is 21. And it follows the rule BODMAS. So bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction is its full form. Or also PEMDAS means, and that means parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. It follows these rules, and these are in the order of calculation. And so we can also do like this. And how about exponents? So you need to add 2 multiplication signs. Okay, here 2 and then 2 multiplication signs means it will be exponent and then 2. So let's check the answer, and it is 4. So 2 is multiplied 2 times by 1. 2 is multiplied 2 times, and so it will be 2 into 2. And how about 2 and then 2 multiplication signs means exponent and then 3. So let's check the answer, and the answer is 8. Why? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times does 2 comes? 3. And how about the floor operator? I can also show. So here 3 divided by 2. So let's run this. 3 divided by 2, and obviously it will show 1.5, and here 0.5 is the remainder. So between the division sign and 2, or 3 and the division sign, let's add another division sign. So what it will be? 1. The floor operator shows the quotient as the value, and how about the mod operator? So here let's add a division sign. 3 divide no, it is actually percentage sign, and this is a mod operator. So 3 mod 2, and that means what? It will show the remainder of 3 divided by 2. So let's run this Python file, and yeah, 1 is the remainder. And how about 5? 5 also there will be 1. So how about 4? Let's run this. And yeah, 0 comes because 0 is the remainder. And actually 4 is completely divisible by 2. So obviously it will show 0. And now I would like to show you the variables. So let me type a variable. So here will be variable, and the variable should not have any gap or space. Okay, so variable equals to, so let me take a string value. So here let me type hello world again. So it is assigned as a value, and now let's print the value of the variable. So let me type a variable, and let's run this. See, it shows hello world here. And why? Here hello world is a string constant, and also is also enclosed by double quotes. If I remove the double quotes, then what would happen? Then these are remain string constant, but it will look exactly like numeric constants. And so double quotes is necessary for hello world or any other string constant. It is necessary to enclose it in double quotes. And let me change this variable. So variable here, for example, here variable equals to, let me choose 10. Means we are going to change the value of the variable, and then we will print. So let me see. We're running the Python file, and the value is 10. And how if I write here, write 10 here for variable equals to, here will be 10 first, and then variable equals to hello world, and then we print. So let me run the Python file, and yeah, the variable has changed, and it has been changed to hello world again. And how about cha- changing a numeric variable by any number. So here will be variable plus, for example, variable plus equals to, let me type here 1 and let me delete this hello world, and let's run this Python file, and it shows 11 because the variable was 10 and we had changed the variable by 1, and so it turned into 11. And how about variable plus equals to -1? We can change the value by any number. So let's run this Python file, and here the value is 9, but it is better if instead of plus there will be minus. So let me see, and here again the value is 9 because we have put a minus. So now for example let me add a 2, and here let me add a division sign. So let me see, and obviously it became 5.0 means 5. Perfect. Now let's delete this code, and for example we write print, and here hello world. So print hello world, and we want to print it 3 times. So Ctrl V and Ctrl V like this. Let's run this Python file. Yeah, we get the desired result. We have printed the hello world statement 3 times. And now let's change this, and now let's add an exclamation mark at the last. And here you see it is extremely time taking. So let's run the Python file. Yeah, we get the desired result. But let's add a function. So here define print underscore message, and it is a function. And for example let's add parentheses, and then let's add some parameters. I want only one parameter, so I'm typing here message, and after naming the function you need to add a colon and make sure to press enter. So it is define print message. So what I need to do is print parenthesis, and here message, and let's copy it 3 times. Copy and paste. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and Ctrl V. Yeah, and remember, first you need to define the function and then you need to run it. So here I type print message the function here, and so in this message let's type in hello world, and we did not need to type so much, so let's run this Python file, and yes, we get the desired result here. And how about giving an exclamation mark at the last? So here add this exclamation mark and now run. Perfect! The result came as what we wanted. And to change the statement, we did not need much effort. But here we have typed it 3 times, print message. We have typed it 3 times. But no, instead of this, you need to do a loop. Loops are used. So here will be for x in, for example, for x in range. So here, as I wanted to print it 3 times, and again give a colon here. So for x in range, and then 3 times. So what I need to do is print, and here type it message. So let's run this Python file, and perfect. We print this message three times again here, and here for x in range, and here was the specific number of times we wanted to repeat this process. For x in range, any variable you want. For example, I add here I for I in range. Still it is correct. Or for Z in range. And here. Perfect. And we have put a specific number of times here. So let's change this to theme, and let's run it. And yes, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And yes, we have printed this message hello world the specific number of times we have typed here, and we have typed it 10. Perfect. So I hope friends you like this video. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in my next exciting video. And for now, bye bye.